Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm back again with a very good opportunity, and this one is with Google. So if you don't know by now, Google is organizing the Google Cloud Arcade program, in which you'll get the chance to not only learn a lot of skills, but you'll get the chance to win some amazing swags and some amazing prizes, that too from Google. And a lot of people don't even know about this. A lot of people do not have enough awareness about this. But you should definitely go for it because, again, as I said, not only you're getting to learn skills, you're getting to earn badges that you can proudly show off in your resume on your LinkedIn. But on top of that, you're getting some amazing, some cool swags from Google, that too for free, right? So in this video, we'll be discussing everything about the Google Cloud Arcade program, including how to register, what all you need to do. I'll show you the exact registration process on screen. So everything about this will get covered in this video. So make sure that you're watching this video till the end. All right. So first off, what exactly is the Google Cloud Arcade? What is it and who is it for? So this is basically a no-cost learning program, and it's completely online, meaning you don't have to go anywhere, you don't have to do anything. It's completely free, and you're getting to learn a lot of skills about cloud, data, AI/ML, and you're basically taking part in these gamified labs. You're competing, and you're getting points which you can use to redeem and earn swags, basically, and order swags for yourself, right? So as I said, you'll be learning, you'll be competing. It's going to be gamified, so obviously it's going to be a fun experience as well. Now, who is this for? Who all are eligible? Of course, that is main thing that you might be wondering. So the eligibility here is quite simple and quite lenient. So this is open to all. Anyone can take part in this. Okay, so anyone over the age of 18, it doesn't matter if you're a working professional, it doesn't matter if you're a college student, anyone can take part in this. Okay, so definitely this is something that you should go for. And now let's go forward with the registration process. Let me show you guys what all you need to do. Let's get into it. All right, so this is the platform. As you can see, the Arcade Google Cloud. This is the platform basically where you can take part on all of those things. We'll be coming to this in a minute, but before that, you need to have an account on Google Skills. This is what you need to do first. And of course, both of these links will be in the description box so that you can access them from there, right? So first you have to go on skills.google.com. Of course, all of you guys would already have a Gmail and a Google account. You can just use that to sign in. So you can just do sign in with Google, as you can see. So I'm just using my email here, and you can just go and continue. So afterwards, you have to basically enter your date of birth. Let's go and let's do that. So after you input your date of birth, you'll be able to register. Okay. Let's get this captcha out of the way quickly. So done with the captcha, and now let's go to the agreement. All right, so here we are. I've simply logged in after giving my date of birth. Now we're here. So this is basically the skills.google platform. This also is a very good platform, right? A lot of people don't even know about this. Here you can actually learn a lot of things, and all of these obviously resources by Google, right? So this itself is a great platform that I highly recommend all of you guys to at least try out. Now you have an account. There's one more thing you need to do before you go and start taking part in Google Arcade. You need to go in your account, you need to go into the settings, and then you need to make your account public. Okay, so after you make your profile public, after you make your account public, then you have to update settings, and now you can go forward with taking part in the Google Arcade. Okay, as I said, this is the Google Arcade platform. Now, they've said that subscription to the Google Skills Arcade is necessary to receive important email updates and perks. Okay, so definitely that is something that I recommend you to do. You can just go to the form, it's a Google form. You can just mention the same email that you registered with, and then you can basically just select yes, right? So all of these details are given. Items cannot be shipped to these countries, but of course it can, and it does get shipped to India, so you don't have to worry. And then you can submit. Okay, now this is done. All right, so the form got filled, and you would also receive a copy of the form responses on your email as well. Now you can go on Google Cloud Arcade, and you can start taking part in all of these things, right? So they've clearly explained everything here. You can see these are the points, these are the access codes, right? And you can see how it works. So you have to subscribe to the Active Arcade emails, which we did. You join Google Skills, which we did. And then you have to play games, learn skills, earn badges, and get arcade points. You can use these arcade points in December to claim your prize. Okay, so redeem points at the prize counter. The prize counter will be open in December. All right. So till then, you can take part and you can learn skills and you can gain points as well. So you can start any of these. As you can see, we already registered on Google Cloud. Now Okay, to join this game, it will ask you for the access code, but you are given the access code here, so you don't need to worry about the code. You can just copy as it is, and then you can provide the access code and join. That's it. Okay, and then you can take part, and you can pretty much, like, start learning, start playing. As I said, it's gamified labs, right? Gamified learnings, which is pretty cool, right? You're getting hands on, you're practicing, you're learning, you're getting badges, and the most important thing, like, just you can search the prizes they give, right? You can search the swags they give. It's crazy out there. So definitely something that you should try your hand in and go for. As I said, not a lot of people know about this, which is why a lot of people are not able to, put this up in their resume or put this up in their LinkedIn. But you can take part, earn swags, and definitely you'll have some hands-on experience to show off in your LinkedIn with the tag of Google, right? So again, all of these things I've given in the description box, all of the links. I hope everything was clear. If you still have any doubts, feel free to ask me in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Let me see you guys in the next one.